In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications permanently on your Alibaba Android mobile app. As you can see, I have pop-up notifications and these are kind of annoying because there are too many. Now, if you are having such a problem, let me show you how you can stop this on your Android mobile app. Now, all you need to do is to go to your settings, and here's the settings on my Android mobile phone. Now, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing to do is to go to settings, and once you get to settings, scroll down until you get to apps. And here are my app setting. Tap on it to open. Now from apps, you want to go to the option called manage apps. Tap on it to open. Now this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now identify your app and then tap on it to open. Now to stop all the notifications, all you need to do is to look for the notifications option, which is here. And as you can see, it is currently set to yes. And to turn it off, all you need to do is to tap on it and open it. And as you can see here, the function show notifications is turned on. If you want to turn off all notifications, we can simply turn off using this button. Alternatively, if you want to turn off specific notifications or give some allowance maybe for vibration and any other, you can use this option. Otherwise, if you want to turn off all of them, just toggle this and all of them will be switched off. Now from here, you will never receive a notification on your Alibaba mobile app unless you turn this function on. And as you can see, if we swipe down, the notifications that had popped up has disappeared. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.